Alright, box number 7. Here's our packs. I do think that maybe these top two feel a little funny. So these, what would this be? 49, and we'll open those first. Pack 50. This is box number 7 out of 8, and we've already opened up 6 other boxes in a row. We did get the one framed signature, so that's pretty cool. But box, 8 packs per box, 7 boxes puts us at pack 56 through box number 7. So, oh, I said I would open those first. I think, yeah, those are going to get, the 2 that I thought felt funny are going to get opened last. So, sorry about that. Have to stay tuned till the end. There's somebody from the Netherlands who I've never heard of. Somebody from the Yankees. Oh, there you go. That is I believe that's a relic. Regular back, it looks like. Very cool. Abreu on the mini. And the jersey is pretty plain. I mean, all white. I've seen some of them. I think we had one, forget which part number 1, part number 2, somewhere in there. We'll pull it out for the recap, but it was Yankees and it had the pinstripe right on it, so that was really cool. Really cool. Alright. Unless, of course, that first pack was the one. I don't know. I've got them mixed up now. South Beach, Miami. Rizzo, Cubby. Forget who this guy is, but this card's a little bit more rare. Like when you go to, if you want to go on somewhere eBay and buy each one of these cards, you know, you can find all the commons, but these people inserts, like the cryptocurrency one is going for a lot more. Anyway, he's an actor, I guess. Tommy, I've never heard of him, I don't think. Oh, he was on The Room? Never heard of it. Yep, good for him, man. He made it. Wish I had my own card, right? Who doesn't? Sitting Bull. Well, that's pretty cool. See if we can get lucky. Nope. Regular back. And then you got South Beach. Bam. Beautiful. Right? Awesome. Alright, not too bad. Not too bad for so far. Out of box number 7. I guess every pack can't be a framed autograph, framed relic, right? Johnny Bench. Oh, we got the rare back. Just like that. There's your Johnny Bench. I forget what the odds are on those rare backs, but I seem to hit those quite a bit. So I doubt they're that rare of a variant, but still. Seems like we've gotten lucky on those quite a bit. Maybe we're just keeping right up with the odds, I don't know. Flip up sunglasses. Circa 1912. Really? Bob Gibson. Pretty sure he's an old classic player. Oh, what do we got here? Postseason Beards, Baseball Superstition. Awesome. I bet that one's worth a little bit more. Let's see, regular back on that, unfortunately. And there's a circa 1912 pop-up sunglasses. Not your grandpa's Ray-Bans. Alright, halfway through, box number 7. Pack number 53 in our 8-part series. Somebody from the Cubs, Darvish. Got the black border on Cooper. We will check the black border for the rare back, but as of date, we have unconfirmed there being any rare variant of the black border. If you know for sure, comment below, let us know. But there we go, proving the theory. Japan, Darvish from Japan, cool. I would imagine that that card is worth quite a bit more, or not quite a bit, but you know, $5 maybe instead of $1 or $2 on that type of card, just because of where he's from, and people have money to drive that market up. So anyway, 54. This pack feels something, but it doesn't look like anything, does it? Nope, I don't think so. Ooh, Titan. Saturn's moon, Titan. Yeah, we've talked about the moons as we've come across them, but yeah, Titan. Oh yeah, Cassini sent a probe. It landed there. They're studying Saturn and the moons, but anyway, they landed on Titan several years ago. If you haven't seen the pictures, go back, look it up. I mean, they landed on the shorelines of Titan. It's pretty cool. And I think they're planning on going back, having other missions. I think they had some plans to do flights. Speaking of flights, there's your Red Bull Flutog. If you've never seen that either, that's pretty hilarious to see on TV. Started in 1991. Common back, nothing rare. But yeah, those are some fun cards, Titan and Flutog. All right, 2 packs to go. Berteo Clemente. I think he died in a airplane crash, I believe. Here's Ernie Banks, old time Cubby. Pretty cool card. Abreu. There you go. Doc Gooden with the black border variant. We will check the back, but as we just said in the other one, we're not thinking that they have a rare variant in the back on the black border, and not on this one anyway. If you have some knowledge, put it in the comments below. We will take a look at that and help everybody become more enlightened with the Allen Ginter 2018 blaster box. Alright, pack number 56. Last pack of our box number 7. Part number 7. 7 of 8. Ooh, this one feels good. Harbor Island, Bahamas. We will take a close look at that. Lindsey Vaughn. I think that one is a little bit more rare because, again, people collect the non-baseball players out of here more so than the baseball players, I feel like. I think I've got a Lindsey Vaughn. Maybe I bid on it and I got outbid, but I was bidding on a Lindsey Vonn signature framed mini, I believe is what it was. It was going for like 15 bucks, 20 bucks maybe, something like that. Oh, and we did get the rare. We did get the rare back. Like I said, we get lucky on those rares. So that's the last pack in this box number 7. We'll come right back at you with part number 8. Final part, box number 8. Where's it at? Box number 8. There it is, right there. So stay tuned. Love you. Bye.